Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, as you could see, all of these are very beautiful, stunning and elegant design patterns of neckline embroidery that could be made onto your round neck, crave neck, bot neck, V-neck, deep cut, style necklines and many more high collar, pan, and collar style necklines could be made. So simple and easy and beautiful decent and elegant patterns of embroidery are onto your screens. You can make a favorite design of your own and you can become a designer of your own by making these beautiful patterns of embroidery instead of paying a lot of money to the handmade hand embroidered designer tagged dresses. So you can also renew your already existing in use plain fabric based shirt, top, kurti, kameez by making these very beautiful patterns of embroidery. The beauty and creativity of these patterns is that they could be equally used for making machine embroidery as well. So summers, intermix season, and the winter. Different type of fabric bases could be used to make these beautiful patterns of embroidery. The beauty and creativity of these patterns is that they are easy, lightweight, simple, breathable, and give an exquisite and elegant view to the wearer. So you can also design your blouses in order to give them a formal look. You can make use of beads, pearls, sequence work to give a more beautiful pattern. I hope that you have liked the ideas and designs of today's video. If you really like them, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave comments in the comment section that from which area or which country you belong. And the basic purpose and motive behind making videos is not to reclaim someone else's work as our own, but to only share design ideas and creativities with the lovers of hand embroidery. And on our daily basis, we try our best to share creative and amazing ideas with you. And in return, we expect you to appreciate us, love us, and watch our videos. And subscribers are very important. If you have already subscribed, then you can subscribe from number of other devices. Thank you so much for watching.